In this tutorial, I will show you how to copy and paste in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and open any canvas size you want. You can also open an existing design if you already have one. After the design opens, click on the element you want to copy. This could be text, an image, a shape, or any graphic in your design. With the element selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. If you are using a Mac, press Command+C. Next, click anywhere on the canvas or move to another page in your design. Then press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the copied element. If you are using a Mac, press Command+V. The copied element will appear on your page and you can move it, resize it, or edit it as needed. You can also copy and paste multiple elements at the same time by selecting them together and using the same keyboard shortcuts. When your design is finished, click Share and then Download to save your final design.